So we're starting out, just going upstairs. They have a gift shop in there. What a little penguins! Oh my gosh! That is so cute! Look at that! Oh, that's way too cute! Mannequin. Here's it, right there. See? Oh my god. It has like a real waterfall inside. Like birds and nails. He's not outside. This is way too cool. Inside flying. It's another one. Another one. It is so cool. I love it, and I know you can't see, but it's actually very deep in there. It's like we're in the forest, you know. I love it. Here's some more. You've never been here, you have to come. It is so much fun. Look at this, it's a real Sloth.
Rock and roll.
Oh my god. Look at me. It's hiding. Oh my god. Can you see it right there? Way too awesome! See?
Can you see it hiding? He sees me. I'm gonna come put your face right there by that leaf.
Well, is it okay if I pick this up?
Right down there.
Oh, wonderful.
Oh my god!
Move your hand. Marina, move your hand. No.
Look how slow he's moving. Very slow.
Hey!
No source of protein, and they also don't drink water.
Well,
it's just, yeah, it's weird.
And the home.
We leave,
So we have just seen brown-throated, three-toed sloth. This is the cutest little thing. Here's how it looks from the back.
Can you say the sloth?
I feel like we're in the jungle. We're about to go have lunch at Jungle Cafe. That's an alligator. That's so cute. Man. You see the monkey over there? It's going down, it's going down. And the bird.
Oh, look, Joy.
see.
Up there. Oh, there's one.
Here's another one.
See him? Look at him climbing. Or she. Can't really tell.
Yeah, they've got like ears in the front.
They got lots of stuff going on around there.
Yeah, bounce.
Those are some colorful birds.
His mouse too.
Look at him go, look at him go.